How to connect Roku to Wi-Fi. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. During setup for Roku boxes and TVs, you'll be prompted to use wired or wireless for connection to a router and the internet, as you'll find two options, wireless and wired. If you are doing wired, simply join your cable. Then, if you select wireless, for a first-time wireless connection setup, your Roku device will automatically scan for any available networks within range. Once you list all available networks, find and choose your wireless network from the list of those. Once you choose your network, it will check to see if the Wi-Fi and internet connection are working. You need to enter network password. After you enter password, select connect and it will be connected. That's how you connect Roku to Wi-Fi. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.